Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to select only you and admins who can see your email on the application of Trello. We go to this app, then we click in this sign. Here we go to this window of settings. After that you will enter to profile and visibility. Here in this page you will wait a moment until you find this window of Trello. Then you will go to this window of settings as you see and we click. Here you will go to this window of manage or delete your Atlassian account. Here in this page you will wait a moment, then you can scrolling down to find this window here of email address. You will click on this sign of anyone, and here as you see you will click here as you see you can click on only you and admins who can see your email address. So please don't